Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you a complete Wix Stores tutorial for beginners, and this one is updated for 2026. So if you want to start an online business, sell products, or build your own e-commerce website without coding, then Wix Stores makes it very easy. So by the end of this video, you will know how to set up your store, add products, configure payments, and start selling online. Okay, so let's get started. So again, Wix Stores is an e-commerce system inside of Wix that allows you to turn your website into a fully working online shop. So with Wix Stores, you can add physical or digital products, manage inventory, accept online payments, set up shipping and delivery, track orders and customers. So everything is managed inside your Wix dashboard, so you don't need separate tools, and it's beginner friendly. So even if you're never built a store before, you can still get started quickly. Okay, so first step is to activate your Wix stores. So of course you have to select your site, but yeah, if you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign up. So just visit the Wix store. Okay, so for example, let's go with this one. So I'm just going to edit this side. Okay, so let me just select this side, of course. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so right here is we need to activate our Wix stores. So we have to go to our dashboard. Okay, and then go to the apps. And then you just have to search for Wix stores. Okay, so if you cannot find your store here, just go here, get more apps, and then Wix stores. Okay, this one. That's right. Okay, so tap on the add to site option, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. So you'll need to install the Wix stores to your website. Alright, so once you're done, Wix automatically adds essential pages like shop page, your product page, your cart page, and your thank you page. So basically, these pages are the foundation of your online store. Okay, so they're still preparing your site, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Alright, so of course, you will need to customize this website to make it more appealing to your target audience. Okay, so the next one that we are going to do here is to add the products to our store. Okay, so all we need to do is we just have to go to the store products and click the new product section. Okay, so we are almost there, so just wait. So we can choose between physical products like clothes, gadgets, and etc., or digital products like ebooks or files. Okay, and then we just need to fill in the product details, the product name, the price, the description, the photos, and then the inventory stuff. Okay, so let me just go here. So basically, this is our store section. So we will need to manage the products. So just tap on it. Okay, and then just go here to the product section, and then be able to see here the default products. So of course we will need to delete them because we are going to add our own products. So tap on the delete option and then tap on delete. So after that, you just have to go here at the tab and then tap on the new product. So again, we have the physical store like t-shirts, short shoes, or skateboard. We also have digital file like ebook, printable, or digital album, and print on demand. So I'm just going to select a physical product. Okay. So after that, you just need to put here the name of the product. So for example, we are selling perfume. And then you just have to add here the description of the product that you are selling. and then you just have to set up the price of your product. Okay, and then of course you can add media, so you can upload images or videos of this product right here. And then we have the inventory and pre-order section, so we can enable the truck inventory quality right here. And then you can also sell as pre-order when this product is out of stock, so we can also enable this feature. So this product is currently in stock and it will be sold as pre-order if you mark it as out of stock. Okay, so here at the top as well, so again you just have to provide all of the important information for your product. And then after that, you just have to save your product. Okay, so you can also add products options like, the size, small, medium, large, colors, and the variants. This helps the customers choose exactly what they want. All right, now if you also have an option to organize your store. Okay, so you just have to go to the categories and create groups like new arrivals, bestsellers, so it's up to you. Now, to set up the payments, you just have to go to the settings. Okay, so let me just go here. Just go to the settings section. And then you just have to go to your payments. So again, just go back to your dashboard. Okay, and then you just have to set up your payments. Okay, so let's go back here and then tap on the getting paid option. So we have here the connect payment methods. You just have to tap on it. And then we have these options. So if you want to see more options, just tap on the see more options. That's right. And then we have here now the different payment options. And then if you would like to see more available options, so the payment method that you can choose, it will depend on your current region. So for example, we're from the Philippines, so we only have limited payment method. But if we are going to try let's say Australia, okay, so tap on choose after that, and we'll be able to see here different payment methods. So we can also use Stripe for this one. So if you would like to use this payment method, you just have to tap on the connect option, and you'd be able to see here now the instruction in order for you to connect your Stripe account. Okay, so let's say United States, so, right? So let me just type out United States right here. So I think they have the cards, so they can accept credit debit cards with Wix. So all you have to do is to connect it. So you have here the guide. Then after that, you just have to provide your information. Okay, so basically that's it. You just have to explore it, so make sure that the payment information is correct. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.